Hello, my name is Erin Mercer. I am a speech and language specialist currently working with children with speech and language delays, communication difficulties, and literacy challenges. I am excited to invite you to join me in a workshop aimed towards recognizing and understanding speech and language milestones hosted by the Nathan Ebanks Foundation. I will be in Jamaica, November 29th to December 4th to deliver this workshop. This workshop is an introduction to using a speech and language checklist to identify children who might benefit from further evaluation. We will discuss how this checklist is used and provide opportunities for participants to become familiar and comfortable in using the checklist. At the end of this workshop, participants will receive screener material, a certificate, continuing education units, and access to an online support group. This workshop is intended for anyone who has an interest in helping our children reach their full potential. This includes reading specialists, general and special educators, administrators, caregivers, student assistants, child development professionals, nurses, pediatricians, guidance counselors, psychologists, social workers, and parents. We invite you to register now by going to the link below. I'm excited to join you in furthering our cause of helping give our children the power to learn, grow, and advocate for themselves. I look forward to seeing you soon.